Well, guys, we're here with the last member of our crew, Julijana. The whole crew's here now. We've got 18 minutes before the show starts.
It's not only 18 minutes.
I know. I know, that's what I said. I thought I'd do one for me and Ange walking in. Did one for Josip, even though he kind of pranked us a little bit.
Oh, can't wait to see it.
Yeah, and then I thought...
Hair's down and I'm ready to go.
Yeah, and now we have to do one with Julijana. But Julijana doesn't come alone.
No, I didn't come alone.
She's got a special guest. Should I show the special guest?
I don't know if she wants to be seen.
Maddie, do you want to be seen, Maddie?
Say hi.
Hi, Maddie. Now she's shy. Okay, we'll run away.
She can be our camera person today.
She can be the camera person?
Yeah.
All right, that's all right. I can get replaced. I don't care.
I know, you're always going to be like cameraman number one. We'll have several angles going.
Yeah, the only problem is if Maddie's the camera woman, you'll actually be in the shot.
No. I prefer to do this way.
Or maybe camera woman is code for something else.
Camera phone, get out.
You never know.
Maybe.
Some kind of, if we ever get any callers in about dates with Josip, we've got the little mediator here.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
So yeah, if you do want to give us a shout out, you want to go on a date with Josip.
We got.
I did show for the occasion.
Yeah, and we do have verification outside, as you can see. So.
Yep. So there. She's here for that.
Normally, phones have two-step verification. Apparently, we've got 3.
Yeah, that's it.
Cro-Step verification.
That's it.
That's
it.
good.
Oh, go on.
Well, anyway, guys, it's now 16 minutes. We're going to do our last little final checks beforehand. So we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes online. Remember, Linktree to get onto our socials. alive905.com.au to jump on the website. You can listen through iHeartRadio.
TuneIn Radio too.
TuneIn Radio, yes, of course, nearly forgot about that one. And, or you can do the old school way of radio, dial it, or tune it to 90.5 FM. Make sure it's FM.
Yes.
Other than that, guys, enjoy, have fun. See you guys soon on the radio.
See you soon.
Bye.